I just want to say to Mark Cruz, you need to stop saying bad words. I'm not saying bad words too in social media or Instagram. Mark Cruz, think what you're saying about bad words. You and Teacher Alexander Pagkalinawan, both of you are saying bad words. You're saying about PI in Tagalog word, and Mark Cruz saying in English, what is that he say in English? Fuck you, asshole, motherfucker. That is really a bad word. Look at Paulo Cruzada when he was scolded by his parents because he's saying bad words in Messenger. Oh, this is what I reason that foul mouth of Mark Cruz is not really good. For me, if you use social media etiquette, the lesson that from Teacher May, she said before, do not say bad words. Do not say bad words, Mark Cruz. Have a shame to yourself. Look at me when I say bad words at everyone in social media. Oh, me, I apologize, Ate Dina, when I curse her a bad word. Oh, I will never do that again. I will make fake account in Facebook. I will never do that again. I was told by Jerick Silva, I already stopped making fake account. Oh, it will never happen again. But this time, I say to both of you, Teacher Alexander Pagkalinawan, Mark Cruz, do not say bad words. It's really offended when you say bad words. However, if people are saying bad words in social media, when you curse anyone or you curse the word, for just example, asshole, that is really a bad word, then quit on your saying about bad words, Mark Cruz. That is why I reason I don't want to say bad words. For example, I remember who is that son of Ate Marisol, Paulo Siaco. Oh, Paulo Siaco doesn't like to say bad words because he was raised by Ate Marisol. That was his mother. Unlike Mark Cruz, he didn't raise by his parents, even his mother. He kept saying bad words. And he calls me an asshole. Which is not really good to say that the word an asshole word. Mark Cruz, as we are autism, do not say bad words. I criticize Mark Cruz and Teacher Alexandra Pagkalinawan's behavior. Teacher Alexandra Pagkalinawan, Mark Cruz, both of you are being expelled from Man's Inclusion Philippines, Autism Society of the Philippines, and LaSalle University Green Hills. Oh, you know that, LaSalle in Green Hills. Because both of you are saying bad words. Both of you are saying about F word. Both of you are saying in Tagalog word. What is that word? Putang ina word. So that's really a bad word. You know that, both of you. Have no respect, have no sympathy, have no related. I'm not saying bad words. I'm here to say to you, to everyone, I'm not saying bad words too. Facebook, Instagram, or Meta, it's like a thread as well. It's also a social media. And it's not to be saying curse word and you say about F word, you call me an asshole word. That's really an insult. That is cyberbullying, Mark Cruz. And you don't know what is cyberbullying. You're just like me, Mark Cruz. Your attitude is just like me. Like me, I'm not same at attitude of Mark Cruz. I don't want to say bad words at Nanay Ningning when I call her, what is that word? Asshole. All Germans are very stupid. I comment there in Instagram. I tell to Jerick Silva. And of course, my dad got scolded me and I got in lots of trouble. That's why I say to both of you, Mark Cruz and Teacher Alexandra Pagkalinawan, both of you should stop saying bad words. Stop saying about foul languages. Huwag ka na kayo magmura like it's really offended. That's why Franco Morales said to me that Mark Cruz, he has to teach him a lesson not to say bad words. Franco Morales never say bad words. Oh, either Manuel Luis Antonio, they don't say bad words. Bam never say bad words. Oh, me, I never say bad words too. But for you, Mark Cruz, your bad words anyway, your foul languages, you have to stop it. Because you will be happen just like Klaus. I remember Klaus, and he says about Tagalog profanity, and he was scolded by Teacher Mirna. Teacher Mirna told the parents of Klaus that he will stop saying bad words. You know, Mark Cruz, enough about negatives. Even J.D. Sagala, Eliza De La Cruz are very angry.